Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Arlene G. Di Castro. I'm 31 years old. We've married with 2 children, and I am graduated high school.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my family needs and to earn money for the future of my kids.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, but I have an experience working here in the Philippines 2 years and 7 months as domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, going to market, and all household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, yes, I took care of children and baby newborn.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I took care of baby by bathing, feeding, um, and children and change clothes. And I took care of children, bathing, feeding, and also teach them how to doing their homework, and sometimes play with them.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside of taking care of them, I can cook Filipino dishes, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and also I learned to how to take care of pets.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it's necessary being a loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Good day, Madam and Sir. Please choose me. I'll be honest, loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible. Thank you, and see you soon for the Hong Kong.